Okay, guys, this is the next dress that I'm going to make. So, guys, this is going to be a fuchsia one sleeve sweetheart. So, if you guys can see, I got my sleeve traced out here. This is the back of the dress. This is the one sleeve, and this dress is going to be cut off there. And this is the sweetheart top, if you guys see. So, now what I'm going to do is cut all these pieces and start to assembly this together. So, you're going to need 1, 2, 3, 4, and then with this one, guys, we cut it and give it the sweetheart shape. And guys, let me add a seam allowance to that, because don't cut it exact. If you notice, I cut this exact. Once we cut that slit in it, it's gonna get smaller. So add a 1/2 inch seam allowance to this. And I give it a little bit more right there. Okay, guys, I'm going to cut this baby out. Bye. Okay, guys, so this is so far what your pattern should look like. So this is going to be the sweetheart. And if you guys see, I cut it down the middle to make a seam. You're going to need 2 of these, because we're going to have to case this around. And I am going to take 1 strip of boning and put that in. And then, guys, this seam is going to be cinched in there where you can't see. This is the one sleeve, guys. And then when you turn it over, this is the back piece, where this part is going to connect to this part to close the dress off. So it will have boning and everything in it, guys. But right now, I am having a serious migraine, so I'm not going to be able to finish this dress at this point. But I wanted to kind of show you guys all the pieces that you would need. So if you guys are interested in doing this dress, that's what you need to do. And then the more complicated, this is the sleeve. The more complicated pieces, I will show you guys how to put that together. Remember, when you cut the sweetheart top, add a bigger piece, add about 2 to 3 more inches, because when you cut this seam down the middle to give it that nice seam, is actually going to get smaller. So keep that in mind. So the picture and the still shot, guys, that is what we're making. But theirs is just cut more deeper. I didn't want mine cut that deep. So remember, I always do mine a little different. And this is going to be seamless. When I put that together, it's going to be flawless. So guys, you guys can start cutting out your pieces and get ready to do your sew along, guys. And when I feel better, I'm going to put this beautiful dress together. Thank you guys for always watching. God bless. Bye-bye.